Cheryl, see how beautiful the boardwalk is? Cheryl, honey, please. Cheryl, do you remember when we had children?
Don't you hate how Mom always bosses us around? Especially since, you know, Cheryl came into her life.
Yeah, and she is a stuffed animal. How were we born?
I have no idea. And why aren't we dragons on, like, Cheryl? Wait, what's that noise? I like pickles. Well then, Mama, get a little circus.
Mommy, did you have a coma?
You're in a coma.
I think I am.
You're a little scary right now. I think you're drunk.
Are you sure? Roar.
Take a shower.
Why? I don't like water.
Take a
I
shower.
don't like water.
Take a shower.
That was loud.
Wake up! Oh my God! Oh my God! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
You're amazing.
Wake up! Happy birthday!
Guys.
Oh, Cheryl. Well, you meant...